Did you know that all kinds of hostas are edible and they actually taste really good? So I'm gonna go harvest some right now. So this is a really nice time to start harvesting your hostas. You can eat them at any time, but before the leaves really unfurl is when they're going to be the tenderest and the tastiest. So this one right here looks just about perfect. So what I wanna do is not take away the leaf's ability to make a nice hosta later in the season. I want to leave a nice little bit of green, at least an inch above the soil, so that it can continue to photosynthesize and develop. But other than that, I just take my scissors or your pruning knife or whatever you have and chop it off like that. So these can be eaten raw, just like this. They're very mild and very good. Or you can cook them up, and especially if they have started to unfurl a little bit like this, where they may have taken on a bit of bitter taste, that can soften that. And with a little bit of oil and salt and pepper, maybe a bit of lemon juice or a splash of white wine, we really enjoy these this time of year. If you have a really well-established hosta plant, you don't have to worry too much. As long as you're leaving that little bit above the soil for it to grow, it should be fine, and the leaves don't look any different when it comes in. If your hosta plant is newer, you want to leave at least 50% of them uncut so that you're not setting it back too much. So especially if, in addition to gardening, you like foraging a little bit, as I do in my own backyard, this is a really fun start to the season. So, hope you learned something. Try some hostas. The deer love them, why shouldn't we? It's really good. Yep. Cars.